This video will demonstrate the recommended process of cleaning and deliming of the ICB Infusion Series brewer. Is recommended for cleaning all surfaces on pneumatic equipment with the use of a damp cloth rinsed in any mild, non-abrasive, liquid detergent. Do not clean with a water jet device. Remove spray head from brewer. Use the pointed end of spray head cleaning tool to remove any mineral deposits from the spray head holes. Any buildup on the spray head may restrict water flow and impact your coffee brewing. For consistently great coffee, clean spray head weekly. Upon visual inspection, it may appear that light passes through all holes in the spray head plate, but a thin film of residue can pass light and still impede water flow. Insert the long end of spray head cleaning tool into the spray head fitting and rotate several times to remove any mineral deposits from the spray head fitting. Insert the short end of spray head cleaning tool into the bypass fittings and rotate several times to remove any mineral deposits from the fitting. Reassemble spray head and reattach. Spray head only needs to be hand tightened. If machine is cleaned and buildup removed, machine must be recalibrated to achieve desired volumes. It is not necessary to disconnect the water source for this procedure. Disconnect power from the brewer and allow faucet to cool to touch. Could take several hours. Run water out of faucet until flow stops. Elevate the front of brewer about 1 inch so water is confined to tank. Remove handle and bonnet nut assembly from faucet by rotating bonnet nut counterclockwise, then lift off. The nut is only hand tight but may need the use of a hand tool first time. Exercise caution, as any residual water may be hot. Using the bristle brush, clean the faucet body to remove any mineral deposit buildup. Thread the deliming spring through the open top of faucet. Run back and forth several times until faucet shank is free of mineral deposits. Remove the old faucet seat cup from the faucet handle stem. Install new seat cup onto faucet handle stem. Ensure proper fit of seat cup to handle stem. Reinstall the faucet components and rotate bonnet nut clockwise hand tight. Return the brewer to level. Restore power to the brewer. Run water through the faucet until no signs of dislodged mineral deposits are visible. On lower mounted water faucets, deliming spring will not reach to the tank outlet fitting and will need a service technician to address. If you experience a low flow of water out of the faucet after performing maintenance, further investigation beyond the faucet will require a qualified service technician to remove mineral deposit buildup from tank outlet fitting and a path to faucet assembly.